Hi students, first exercise before 10 problems completed. Now 11th question. The sum of deviations of n observations from 25 is 25 and sum of deviations of the same n observations from 35 is minus 25. Find the mean of the observations. Answer: sum of observations from 25 is 25. Sum of 25 from observations is 25. Mean equal to, mean nothing but arithmetic mean, a plus sigma xi by n. Sigma xi by n. A means 25 plus sigma xi, sum of observations from 25 equal to 25, means 25 by n. 25 plus 25 by n. Here n product here, 25n plus 25 by n. This is mean. And sum of n observations from 35 is minus 25. From 35 is minus 25. Now find mean. Mean equal to a plus sigma xi by n. Sigma xi by n. Here a means 35 plus sigma xi means minus 25. Here plus into minus, minus, right? Minus 25 by n or small n, right? Small n. 35 into n, 35n. 35n minus 25 by n. This is mean of sum of n observations from 35 is minus 25. As per sum means according to the problem, as for sum both are equal, means first observation 25n plus 25 by n equal to 35n minus 25 by n. These two are same. Now here n get cancelled, denominator n get cancelled. 25n plus 25 equal to 35n minus 25. Here n send this side, 25n minus 35n equal to minus 25. This plus 25 send that side, minus 25. 25n minus 35n will get minus 10n equal to minus 25 minus 25 minus 50. Both sides negative get cancelled. 10n equal to 50. Now n equal to 50 by 10. Here 10 ones, 10 fives. Now n equal to 5. N equal to 5. In this, now find mean. Mean equal to 25n plus 25 by n. So negative here 35 is minus 25. No need to take. First one take this one positive. 25 n means here 5 plus 25 by n. N means 5, right? 25 5s 125. 125 plus 25. Here 25 5s 125. 125 plus 25 150 by n means 5. Now do cancellation, will get 5 3s 15, 30. Means this is mean. Therefore mean equal to, mean is 30. Twelfth question. Find the median of data 3.3, 3.5, 3.1, 3.7, 3.2, 3.8. See, these are all problems. Answer: median. So given that data, find median. Given observations 3.3, 3.5, 3.1, 3.7 and 3.2, 3.8. First write ascending order or descending order. Ascending order, right? Ascending order means small to big. 3.1, first 3.1, after 3.2, 3.3, 3.5, after 3.7 and 3.8. For that, how many observations total here? Observe 6 observations. 6 is even number. We have 2 mediums, means 2 observations. So first term, last term, first term, last term. Next middle have only 2 terms. These two find average. That is called median. Got it? Here even number of observations having 2 medians. We have to write first ascending order. In that ascending order, first 2 numbers, next 2 numbers, last 2 numbers. So middle have only 2 observations. For that find average, means 3.3 plus 3.5 by 2. Add these two, 6.8. 6.8 by 2. Here cancellation. 2 3s, 2 4s. 3.4. What is this? 3.4 median. Therefore, median equal to 3.4. 13th question. The median of the following observations arranged in ascending order is 15. They given already ascending order, median is 15. So given data, right? First what they given? 10, 12, 14, x minus 3, x, x plus 2 and 25. Find x. Ascending order, they given arranged ascending order. In that median is 15, means, so we know that they already fixed that ascending order. Median is 15, means equal to 15, right? Now here observe how many observations I have. So first 3, next 3 take, means middle have only 1, x minus 3. So understand here. So we know that median, depending upon observations, we have odd number of observations, only 1 median. Even number of observations, we have 2 medians. Here already they arranged ascending order. That median is 15, means middle number is 15. Here middle number having x minus 3. Now find x value. X minus 3 equal to 15. X equal to 15 plus 3. Now x equal to 18. X equal to 18. 14th question. Find the mode of given observations. So finding mode means given observations, right? First mode of, write all observations 10, 12, 11, 10, 15, 20, 19, 21 and 11, 9, 10. So we know that mode means number of frequently continuous number, means which number occur number of times. Here 10 is number of times will be here 10, 10, 10, 3 times will be. So now, so what is mode? So mode is 10. Fifteenth question. Mode of certain scores is x they given. If each score is decreased by 3, then find the mode of the new series. Mode of certain series. Certain scores equal to x take. So we don't know that. Each series means each score is decreased by 3. Decreased by 3. So now what is mode? Decrease means minus. X minus 3 is mode. 16th question. Find the mode of all digits used in writing the natural numbers from 1 to 100. Here observe, finding mode 1 to 100 numbers. So we know that 1 to 100 any number is not repeating. Means answer no mode, since any number is not repeating. No mode since any number is not repeating. That is answer.